creating consistent, high-quality blog content can take a lot of your time, especially when you're starting from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to use blog post AI inside of HighLevel to generate complete SEO-optimized blogs in minutes. For example, instead of writing every section manually, you can enter a topic and instantly get a full blog with headings, content, images, and SEO metadata ready to go. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, you're going to come all the way down to Sites on the left-hand side and then come up to Blogs. From there, we can create a blog from scratch or create a blog from a template. I'll choose a brand new blog. I'm going to give it a title and then click on Create. Now, in the top right corner, we can create a post with AI. This will take you inside the blog editor. From there, on the left-hand side here, we have two Ask AI modes. We have the Assist and we have the Build. Assist mode is best for quick drafts, while Build mode gives you more control over tone, structure, and style. Then you're going to come down and describe the blog post topic. I just typed, create a blog about the benefits of magnesium with research-backed points. Below that, I'm going to select the word limit. I'll say 500 to 750 words. Select my target audience. I'll choose individuals and consumers, and then I can add any keywords. You'll see below that they give you some suggested keywords that you can just click on them to add them. Then in the bottom left corner, click on Generate. The AI will then use all that information to create your blog post. You can see on the left-hand side here, it will begin loading, and in just a few seconds, it will produce a result. And there we go. Our blog post has now been generated. We have everything from the titles to the content to the images, all perfectly placed to create a good blog. Once you're happy with your blog, click on Continue in the top right corner. That will take you to the place where you can publish or schedule your blog. You'll see on the right-hand side here under SEO Metadata, the AI has automatically filled in this information too. You can adjust that if you want. Click on Preview to preview it, and then once you're ready, either publish it or schedule it. And that's how you can use blog post AI inside of HighLevel to create and publish blog post content faster. It's a simple way to go from idea to fully optimized blog without switching between tools. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. Links are down in the description. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.